I expect a very difficult game. As I said, we've watched videos of Maribor and their games. I thought they were particularly impressive. Of course, beating Glasgow Rangers, a team that we know very well, and of course, to have beaten them, it shows the quality that they have. They have good individual players. I think they're a physically strong side, quite a big team as well. And of course, what they are, they're a team that's used to winning football matches here. For us, it's an opportunity for us. You know, we've lost our first game in the group. A very tough game at home to Prague. This is an away game, and we have to look at every game as an opportunity to win. I think the advantage for Maribor tomorrow is that they're playing at home, and it's I don't think it's any different to going anywhere else. If you're playing in familiar surroundings, then you know, generally it's one that you're comfortable with, which on most occasions will make them favourites. But to play in Europe, you've certainly got to get used to playing in different types of environments, and we certainly went to Nacional and made a good account of ourselves there, and that's very much what we're looking forward to doing tomorrow.